to another video. It's me playing Roblox again. Liberty, respond. Last time you guys couldn't hear me because I didn't know how to turn on my mic, and yeah, I didn't have an app for it. But now I know. And we're gonna be playing Liberty Respond, not for the first time because I've been playing this game when it came out and after it came out by 3 days. So we're gonna be trying to cause some trouble here with the police. And if you guys know, I play Roblox, I play GTA, I play Call, and I play Fortnite. But Fortnite, you guys can't hear me because I don't get in party chats. Ooh, let's see. This guy freaking caused some trouble. Hey, we already caused some trouble here. Hey, bro. Hold, let me put my volume up so you guys can hear me. I keep it off. There we go. Alright. They all have the same noises. That's the thing I hate about it. But let's see if we can cause some trouble with this little fella. Alright, let's follow him. Let's keep following him because I want to cause some trouble here. This whole thing is... you guys hear the gunshots. Like, see that Bugatti, bro? That's fire. I love it. But let's go cause trouble with little sheriffs over here. And also... yeah, let's just go cause trouble. Alright, hey, damn, bro. Damn, this is a bad... this is not a dot worker, bro. What? Hey guys, sorry for the AFK-ness, but I had to go do something. School stuff. And let's go see. Alright, let's turn on our headlight because it's getting dark. Okay. Look at how nasty this looks, bro. This is fire. I love this car so much. But it's not my dream car. I love the Bugatti. Bugattis are very nice. Let's go cause some... Nah. This guy's someone I can cause trouble with. He already got out of the car. Hey. Oh, no. Why is it not doing any damage? What the heck? Wait, what? Why is it doing no damage? What? I'm shooting him. Why is it doing no damage? What? Yo, why does my car keep on disappearing? Oh, okay. There we go. Wasn't my car over here? What? This makes no sense. I'm not even kidding. And it's not letting me kill him or taking damage. This game is starting to be weird, bro. Like, the Halloween event was cool. When you go to the farm, bro, that was so fun. Because they would put a funeral, not funeral, like a cemetery, and it would have your name, your Roblox username over there, and it would be like, what? Like, I thought it was only for me. But then when everyone said my username is also there, what? And then I was like, oh, okay. So it's just like the certain people, not certain, but like anyone that plays this game, when they go there, their name would be there. I thought it was only like for the people, like the main people that play this, but no, it wasn't. And if you guys want to see my setup, face reveal, all that, I need to get 20 subs, bro. 20 at least. 20? Oh, woo! Bro, actually, that was a little, that was like out of control. But I'm trying to cause some trouble. No one there. I'm gonna try to cause some trouble. Do I need gas? No, I'm good. No one out there. I'm gonna try to cause trouble. That's all I want. Trouble. That'd be fire. I'm trying to find. Okay, I'm gonna hold someone for hostage. Actually, not hold someone. I'm gonna call the police station. Oh, let me get there. Menu. I'm gonna see who is a police. Player list. Department of Transportation. River Police. Sands underscore the first. Sands underscore the first. Sands underscore the first. Fortnite boss. Sands. Where's Sands, bro? Oh, there he is. I'm gonna continue. Sorry. Buddy will die. Alright, let's get to farm. We're not far away from it. We're actually very close. Not very, but we're close to it. Okay, we're gonna go over here. Keep going. You go here. Dun dun dun. You keep going. And if you guys want more videos, just tell me in the comments what kind of videos you want and I'll do them. Because I have no clue what you guys want. Like the videos. But let's keep going. I'm pretty sure it's around this area, right? Yeah, see? The wooden bridge, that's how I would know. You keep going here and there's the damn farm. Alright, I'm gonna hide up. I'm gonna hide up. Alright, let's hide. Let's go up this ladder and hide. Wait, what? So weird. Alright. I'm gonna call that kid again and say, come to farm or your buddy will die. There. Come to farm or your buddy will die. There we go. Come to farm or your buddy will die. Was he that freaked out? Alright, we know he's a police. That's one fact for sure. Right? Sand, river police. Sand underscore. Yeah, he's a police, see? But is he coming? That's the real reason. I mean, that's the actual question. Is he coming? Nope. Oh, shit. He's here. You guys heard that, right? George! He's here. Alright, let's start some drama with this kid now. Oh, shit. Oh, shoot. I gotta get up. Oof! Alright, I'm gonna just like do that. Just for him to get scared. But he's not in the farm. Is he? Nope, he is not in the farm, I would say. In the farm. In the farm. Farm. In the farm. Alright. Alright. Where's he? Where is he? There's no police car here. What? Oh, damn. If he's not coming, bro, I might just leave. But I'll make more videos if you guys want to. Like, just tell me in the comments what kind of videos you guys want, because I do not know what kind of videos y'all want. Alright. Where are you at? Where are you at? I'm at the farm. Damn, he actually wants to mess around with me. Damn. Where is he, bro? I said in the farm. This is obviously a farm. Where the hell is he? What? Is he actually not here? He said he's at the farm, though. But where at the farm, buddy? You said you're at the farm. I said in the farm, bro. In. Do you not understand that? I'm trying to find him. Where could he be, bro? Where could this kid be? Where is he? Damn. What? Damn. Where you is, bro? Where? Tell me where you is, bro. Where? Damn, bro. Where you is? Oh, there he is. There he is. There that kid is. Why is it not letting me kill? Okay, not angry. Oh, dude. Oh, I'm killing him. See? This is how I start drama, buddy. This is how I start drama. Oh no. I'm running out of ammo. Sure! I'm gonna run. No! Damn, bro. No. You want your buddy, though? You want your buddy? Your buddy? What's your buddy? Alright. That's gonna be all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Peace.